channel. Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's. Today is that UGG haul I told you I was gonna do. See, I keep my promises. It's pretty much part 2 of the Amazon Try Before You Buy, where we're strictly doing shoes today. One bag, but shoes. I chose UGG because UGG is one of my favorite brands because of 3 things: cute, affordable, and fluffy. That's what I look for in an item, okay? My perfect item is part of those 3 categories. That's what I'm going to show you today. Okay, so the first item is the UGG Janey clear bag. Of course, it's in pink. See, it has all the fluff inside, the clear plastic on the outside, so you know you can get it wet and not cry about it. It's $124.95, and I just think it's cute. I love it. It's the perfect size, so you can fit your phone, makeup, you can fit a mini wallet in here, brush, perfume. I'm just thinking of all the stuff I'll be having in my bag. Whatever you gotta fit in there, girl, listen, it's space, okay? And like I said, it's cute. I love it. So the next one is the Oh Yeah Strawberry Sorbet, whatever, however you say that word, slipper, okay? This one is $99.95. I have this in a lighter shade of pink, so I don't know why I picked this shade of pink. Maybe I just really like it. See? Oh, so soft. I just love soft things. $99.95. All right, so the next one I'm keeping definitely. This is the disco marble slide, and it's $61.70. So cheap. Listen, look at this baby here. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so cute. Listen, I'm already mad tall, but I don't care. I'm gonna still rock me some high slippers, some high heels. Okay. Isn't that cute? You gotta do the slow-mo for this one. Ah, I love it. I'm gonna wear some pom-pom shorts with this, okay? So this is the clear marble boot. It's $159.95. This is in black. Well, of course it's marble, which is why it has the little, you know, white in it, white or cream. Yeah, little zebra going on. See it? I like the clear boots because a lot of people wear like their the soft fluffy ones, like the suede ones, in like in the rain and snow. That's not what that's for, guys. That's why your foot be soaked at the end of the day. Get you the clear one that the water is going to run off of it, okay? $159.95. Now guys, I know some people might be skeptical, like, oh, I'm not buying Uggs from anybody other than the UGG store. Listen, it's authentic UGG stuff, okay? Make sure it comes with a little card. Make sure the packaging, of course, says UGG. Check your labels for the correct information. And just make sure you pay attention to the seller and all that stuff when you order anything. It doesn't even have to be just Uggs, but whatever you order from Amazon, if you are, you know, skeptical about whether these things are legit or not, just read, guys. It'd be right there in writing, tiny writing. But I realized I got a lot of clear stuff this time. This is another clear mini boot. This one is in, it says hibiscus pink, a little red. It's $75. It's like the same as the marble one, but even more affordable. So you want to get, you know, a cute cheap one. This has been perfect to wear for Valentine's. I remember back in high school, everybody got on all red shoes, pink shoes. You can't tell us nothing. Okay, of course they got the fluff inside, keep them little feet warm. So this is my last item. This is the Fluffita, however you want to pronounce it, slipper. I picked this one because it reminds me of Cookie Monster, and I love me some Cookie Monster. Okay, this one is $98.99. I just love this blue. You see, this is sick. Okay, now I know I love me some pink, but listen, when the blue is done right, yes, look at that sexy shoe right there. So cute. It's so warm and cuddly and stuff. I'm about to get me a Cookie Monster hoodie. Rock this baby with it. Oh, I love the smell of blue shoes. See the bottom? This one deserves another slip. So guys, aside from those, this is one I already had. This is my travel UGG. Basic black, goes with everything. Super comfy, durable, cute. I got this at Amazon a while back. This was $98.95 as well. So listen, let me tell y'all something, okay? I would never spend a lot of money on stuff, but at the same time I understand, like, you know, if you want good quality stuff, sometimes you gotta spend the extra dollars. So if you see me buying anything that's 3 digits, it's because it's good quality stuff and it's something I know I'm going to use a lot over. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for all of you that like my videos, those of you that subscribed. Your support means so much to me. You know, this thing can get really discouraging when you don't see people subscribing. You're like, oh, you know, should I just stop? Like, listen, don't ever stop, okay? Even if it's one person watching your video, listen, you touched somebody that day. So keep doing what you want to do. Believe in yourself. Don't think you're not going to excel in something. Don't think you don't have that push because you watch other people. Stop worrying about other people, because listen, they started somewhere just like you're about to start somewhere. Okay, love you guys. I hope you have a nice day. I hope you enjoy your Valentine's. If you don't celebrate, fine, enjoy your Monday, and I'll see you guys next time. Ta-ta.